Hello everybody, in this video we are going to talk about how to create estimates quotation for your customer. So you just go to this plus button and click on estimate, and in this window you have just put some basic information like which customer you want to creating this quotation for. Let's say our customer name is this, and this is his email and billing address, and here you can add your estimate date and expiration date. And last, the most important part, here you can add your product or services for which is this quotation is being prepared. Let's say we are giving quotation about consultancy. Let's say our customer asked us give me a quotation about consultancy fee for 10 hours. So in this case we have select our services, and here we just add 10 as our customer demand for 10 hours. So per hour, our per hour rate is 75. So QuickBooks has automatically calculated the total bill. Here you can add more lines if you want. So, and if you wanna clear all lines, you can just click on that. And here, if you have any message for your customer, you can write it. It will be display on estimate or statement. And lastly, if you have any attachment file, then you can attach those files from here. And once everything is done, you just click on save and send, and after that QuickBooks will show you a preview of your estimate, and click on send, and hence you can send your quotation to your customer. I think you have enjoyed this video a lot. Take care of yourself. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.